Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video I thought we'd go through my top 3 cars we've had on the channel. Now I've never really spoken about this before, there's probably going to be some obvious contenders, but I'd like to hear also your favourite cars that I've had on the channel. Obviously all of these cars aren't necessarily mine, but they're ones that are featured on the channel and that I quite liked. I thought it'd be an interesting video to just give my opinion, but also to hear from you, see what cars you've enjoyed us working on the most, or that you've enjoyed seeing. So, number 3. This is a little bit of an unexpected one. It's took me quite a while to think up this list, I will be honest. The number 1 spot was filled quite quickly, but it was quite difficult for spots 2 and 3. But for number 3 I'm going to go for Owen's MX-5, which I'll put a photo of here. And there is a reg plate for it here, M93 GPC. Now, the reason I say it's an unexpected one, the MX-5, I never drove it. We never drove it. We literally picked it up, put it on the back of a trailer, brought it back here, stripped it down, and then sold it. Funds dried up, and passion for it sort of went. However, I would say that's probably, I would say that's probably the most fun I've ever had working on a car. It was middle of summer, me and Owen just chilling. There was no pressure, no nothing. We were just stripping down the car. If a part needed to be smacked off because it was rusted on, it didn't matter because we were replacing everything, or we planned to replace everything, and it was just a good fun project. Although we didn't get the end result that we wanted, which was getting the car running and driving it and having fun in it, we had fun during the process. So that's why I'm going to put the MX-5 at number 3. Let me know if you agree. Let me know, like I say, how you would rank all the cars we've had, and yeah, let me know what your opinion is. So for number 2, again another potentially unexpected one and quite a difficult one to choose. I'm going to go for Tyler's IS200. We got a reg plate? No, but we did get that off the spare boot lid, V396 PDA, but we've not got that reg plate, so I'll have to try and get it. What was it? WX51CLZ, I think. But if you go to here, maybe, there's a couple of videos about that, and you can watch them there. But yeah, that would probably be my option 2. Reason being, it was good fun. Again, we did a lot of work on it. We actually did quite a few bits to Tyler's IS200. We put coilovers on it, put an exhaust on it, serviced it a few times, and we treated that car quite well. We did brakes, things like that, and we looked after it. It should have been a write-off when we bought it, because the rear end of it was just completely smashed and destroyed beyond belief, but we kept it running and it lives on today in Northern Ireland, which is interesting. But yeah, really good car. Taught me quite a few bits, hence why I like it. Taught me a few bits about fixing cars and maintaining cars as well, which is obviously a big thing for me. But also, me and Tyler became really good mates when we were working on that car, so that was another good thing about it. And yeah, just an all-round fun car. It was fast enough, it could keep up with the Mini, it just sounded lovely, it skidded, it was just a good fun car. And yeah, when the day that got collected, I was sad. But yeah, no, I think number 2, definitely Tyler's IS200. Now number 1, I said that it was quite obvious what it was going to be, and I think it is. However, filming this now, I can see 2 reg plates behind me, or 3 even, that are relevant to number 1. So AJ05 HDL, that is the Mini, my red Mini's original plate. M121 hub is my personalised plate, that's my reg plate, which is currently on the red Mini. And then there's HK53 BKX, Yeah, EKX. Now I was dead set on number one being the Mini, my red Mini, because that's just, I'll get onto it. But seeing the Legacy plate just made me just think it again. The Legacy it was nothing special. It wasn't, you know, it wasn't an import, it wasn't a twin scroll, it wasn't, literally, it was, you know, bog standard 2 litre flat 6 petrol, no turbo, nothing. It was 4-wheel drive, manual, you know, it was literally as base spec as they come. However, I'd wanted a Legacy for years, ever since the first Mighty Car Mods video with their Subaru Legacy, which I'll put up here for Super Gramps. I wanted one, and I knew it would never be like theirs, but I just wanted one because I thought they looked so cool. And that car, I mean, yeah, it was a good car. It wasn't fast, it wasn't loud, it wasn't anything special, but it meant something to me. So I'm gonna put that at like 1.5, because it's very close between first and second for the Mini and the Subaru. I'm going to put that at 1.5. There's a little bonus for you. I love the Subaru. It was good fun. You know, it was capable and got me to A to B reliably. So, got nothing bad to say about the Subaru. But it's just not the Mini. If for those of you wondering, the Subaru ended up crashed. Sold it to a friend and yeah, got wrote off. Not the friend's fault. But there we have it. That's how the Subaru ended its life. So, somewhat obviously, taking the number one spot is the Mini, my red Mini. Yeah, the Legacy is a very close 1.5, but the Mini, you know, it's what started this channel. For those that haven't been here as long, this channel used to be called Mini Mods. If you scroll back through all my videos, you'll see that it used to be called Mini Mods. And that was the car that got me interested in modifying cars. You know, I had this red Mini that was interesting, it was cool, but I wanted to make it cooler, I wanted to personalise it, I wanted it to be mine. And that's how I got into modifying cars and fixing cars too, because, you know, but cars aren't cheap, and you know, fixing cars was something that I found I enjoyed. And I was somewhat good at, and you know, that's what started all of this YouTube channel. So I got a lot to owe to the red Mini, really, but more than anything, it's the most fun car I've driven. And interestingly, I've had that car 4 years today, so it's the 8th of August 2023. So I've had it 4 years today, and I was just thinking about this when I was, you know, coming up with the idea for this video. To put it into context, I've worked at 7 different places during that amount of time, and I've only worked at 8 in total for the past, what, 6-7 years of my working life. So yeah, Mini's been quite a consistent figure. But yeah, no, I mean, the Mini is one that's going to stick around for probably till I'm dead. And yeah, I mean, hopefully we'll get a few more videos out of it sometime soon, once, you know, work and whatever settles down. I've got the time and the money to do it. It's not far off now, and it's only sitting literally there, so no excuse, Jack. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it somewhat entertaining or insightful. I'd be really interested to know what your top 3 of my cars are, and of your own as well. If you've had a few cars, let me know what ones you've enjoyed the most. But as always, thank you for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you could hit the subscribe button and the like button, that'd be really, really, really appreciated. We're really close to 1,000 subscribers. The channel's sort of blowing up recently, so I would really appreciate it. But either way, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.